Some might be ironic. Better live it up because tomorrow ain't promised. Gotta get on your grind if you wanna be iconic. I just wanna be iconic. I just wanna be iconic.
Good morning. Welcome back to a DrypGod Joe vlog. Today's the last day in Seattle. I think, honestly, I don't know what we're gonna do today. I think Isaiah left us, went to the gym, but I'm hungry as fuck. So we're still debating what we're gonna do tonight. I think we're probably just gonna get food, come back to the crib, do a mukbang, whatever that shit's called. Then after that, I think we might go sightseeing around Seattle, and then the Cube. I think East, I was saying the Cube. It's like a little club we might go to. But yeah, I'm about to walk to this mini market because your boy hungry as fuck. You already know. Gotta get that vitamin water. Best one in the game. I said mango, the acai, blueberry, pomegranate, and the tropical citrus. Hey, hold up. That's cold. We're gonna get these two right here. Love my vitamin water, bro. Love it. Go ahead and get my favorite grandma cookies. Trying to turn up? Oh shit. I don't know what to get, low key. Damn, nigga. $2.50 for a Lunchable? How much did you got for noodles? Fuck it, we don't got some noodles. Nah, I don't want that. Best soup in the game. I don't care what no one says. Hey, Mom. What you doing?
What's up, Joe?
Who is that? Who's that talking?
Your auntie.
Who? What's up, ugly?
What's up? How you liking it out there?
I like it a lot.
You like it a lot?
Yeah. Hey, Mom, we should move out here.
My dad said the same thing, and then when he did it, he ended up he went back to Fresno. Okay. Yeah, he went back to Fresno. He didn't want to, but did.
It's real nice out here. I've been busy.
I need a couple of souvenirs from there.
Couple.
Me too. You know she likes the soy glass. That's all you need. Oh, hello. I need a couple of souvenirs from there. So like something, not no nasty ass candy, but something they're known for, and then my shot glass. Giovanni, me too.
So you want something Seattle Seahawks in? That's what they're known for.
I want a shot glass, and I want like some type of candy they're known for, or something they're known for. Giovanni, use the candy.
No.
Not no nasty ass candy with bugs in it. Some regular candy.
Some regular candy? Alright, I got you.
Not nothing I can buy in San Diego.
Watch out. You have to watch out for new legends.
Hell yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? When I came to rap, all I wanted was like #1 album. Like platinum, single, what's up, man. That's it. That's all I ever wanted.
Nobody has to make room. You gotta earn everything you get, you know what I mean? Nobody's just gonna stamp you a legend and you're not doing anything that's legendary.
It is, Space Needle is just huge. Like, look how high that shit is. It's about to be lit. when I get up there, I'll probably continue. I won't talk that much. Probably just walk around and show y'all like the views of the whole Seattle. It's gonna be my first time going in there, so I can't really expect what I'm gonna see or what I'm gonna be recording. But I'll pick back up once I get inside. It is beautiful up here, really beautiful up here.
Been down and out, but I always try to make a comeback, mostly succeeded. I'm sick and tired of these setbacks, just kept believing. They hate to see us up cause we black, hitting these raps, bleed out my mind, freedom at last. Coming from an era we use water for our cereal, with the fork included, but our come up was a miracle. Different critical ways to come within my pinnacles, soon to be legendary, call shots like I'm a general.
Hey, bro, telling you, man. It's time to progress, man. Shit's hard, bro. I'm telling you, man. Just keep doing what you're doing, dog. I'm telling you, you're gonna get there, man. For real, you got that word scheme, man. Shit, it's crazy to see how it's like progression, man. This progression, just seeing it build up like this.
They wanna be me? Here's some advice. Be yourself. Use up all your energy until you have none left. Stealing my rhymes is kinda like you stealing my wine. How about you grow your own flow instead, steal off my grapevine? Determined to shine. Hard work you want to make the world mine. Take my place like a football player playing the combine. Ice in my veins with wisdom and flows too. I'm 19, born in 97. Look how much I grew. Your boy done made it, but not quite famous. Came off a hiatus. The ghetto dub grew outdated. Many people have liked it. Now they anticipate. When is Michael Terance gonna debut his new mixtape? It's just all dedication, so just be patient.
This is nice. I can get used to Seattle. It's kind of weird. Like my back's lit on this glass window. Yo, this is lit.
I'm gonna tell you right now, the mixtape isn't creation. No vacations, making sure I fall in my expectations. On the path to be a legend and I fell by temptation. Guarantee I'ma make.
Yo, man, that focus and that EP got me going crazy, man. Man, dope, man. Keep up the good work, man. We believe me, we on your side, man. Keep it moving, man. Appreciate you, man. Keep on doing your thing, man. You put that mixtape out, Philo. Like, shit is with mom. I'm telling you.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna come back to Seattle. Let's see. Shit. I think I might just walk around Seattle. I don't feel like going back to the house. I ain't trying to stay in the house. I'm trying to be out and do something. I don't know what to do though. But this was amazing. Let me adjust it real quick. Damn, there you go. So if you ever come to Seattle, make sure you come to the Space Needle. I mean, it's only like $32, not bad. That shit nice as fuck. Like, I guarantee whoever listens to me and go, you won't regret it. Shit nice as fuck. Appreciate it, man. Have a nice one. Finally back to the crib. Shit, I don't know what I'm about to do now. I'm gonna probably just go inside, chill. Probably do some more editing because I gotta edit that PAX video. Even though it's not that long, I gotta make sure that shit nice. But yeah, that Space Needle shit was lit as fuck.
Yo.
You sleep? Damn, these niggas knocked out. Low key, I should be packing soon. Cause low key bought a whole bunch of clothes, but thought I was gonna do a lot more, but it's what it is. I'm about to start editing for this video. Hopefully this shit done by tonight so I can upload it tomorrow. Oh, I have so much shit to do. This YouTube shit about to be hard. But I believe in myself and with my friend support and you guys support who are watching it, the randoms. I'm gonna try my best, become a strong YouTuber. And I'm gonna start streaming on Mixer. Maybe, no, I'm not gonna do Twitch. It's only Mixer and YouTube. Yeah, so a lot more to come from me. I swear, not gonna give up. I'm gonna get my sponsorships back because I miss my sponsor. I've been saying I'm a sponsored gamer, sponsor YouTube, whatever. But I don't think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I think I might do something else with Ashley and Zero. I don't know if Wavy or JJ gonna come out with us, but we'll see. But if I don't end up going out or vlogging, this will be the end of the video. Like I said in the later on, no. Why I say later on? In the beginning of the video, if y'all come to Seattle, go to the Space Needle. That shit is lit. Like, bro, that shit is lit as fuck. I can't explain it. Y'all can see all this shit. But yeah, so leave a like, comment, subscribe, and go hit that follow on Instagram, and go add me on Snap, and go follow me on Twitter. All that stuff will be below in the description. So look, I'm fucking up. But yeah. Appreciate it for watching this video. Your boy DrypGod out.